If you're considering kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo, a common question is whether a budget of $30,000 is enough to transform your space. It's a relevant concern for homeowners in our community, where the demand for modern, functional kitchens continues to rise. With local contractors and suppliers readily available, understanding how far your budget can stretch is crucial. In this blog post, we'll explore whether $30,000 can achieve your renovation dreams and how to make the most of every dollar. We'll dive into the key factors that influence kitchen renovation costs, such as materials, labor, and design complexity. You'll get insights into cost-saving strategies and realistic expectations for what your budget can cover. Whether you're aiming for a complete overhaul or simply updating certain elements, knowing where to allocate funds can make all the difference. We'll also touch on local trends that might inspire your project and highlight ways to ensure your renovation adds the most value to your home. So if you're ready to embark on a kitchen renovation journey in the Kitchener-Waterloo area, read on to see how you can maximize your $30,000 budget and create a space that suits your lifestyle and needs. Understanding the cost breakdown of kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo. Redoing a kitchen for $30,000 in the Kitchener-Waterloo area is definitely achievable, but it requires careful planning and prioritization of elements that matter most to you. The cost of a kitchen renovation can vary greatly depending on the size of your kitchen, the materials you choose, and the complexity of the work involved. By understanding where your money is going, you can make informed decisions to maximize value and functionality. Typically, the cost breakdown for kitchen renovations includes cabinetry, appliances, countertops, flooring, and labor. In Kitchener-Waterloo, cabinetry can account for 30 to 40% of your budget, especially if you opt for custom or semi-custom options. To stay within budget, consider stock cabinets, which offer a wide range of styles at a lower cost. Countertops and appliances can also quickly add up. However, choosing mid-range options that balance quality and cost can help maintain your budget. Labor costs, which can be substantial, may vary based on the complexity of the project and the contractor's expertise. Prioritize your needs. Decide which aspects of your kitchen are most important to you, whether it's a high-end countertop or energy-efficient appliances. Allocate more of your budget to these areas while saving on others. Choose materials wisely. Look for durable yet affordable materials. For example, laminate countertops offer great value and come in various styles that mimic more expensive materials. Consider refacing instead of replacing. If your cabinets are in good condition, consider refacing or painting them rather than replacing them entirely, which can save thousands of dollars. Plan for contingencies. Set aside a portion of your budget, usually 10 to 15%, for unexpected expenses that may arise during the renovation process. Utilize local resources. Take advantage of local suppliers and contractors in Kitchener-Waterloo who may offer competitive rates and personalized service. Top budget-friendly kitchen remodeling ideas for Kitchener-Waterloo homes. Remodeling your kitchen on a budget is entirely possible, especially in the Kitchener-Waterloo area, where a variety of options are at your disposal. With a $30,000 budget, you can make significant improvements that will enhance both functionality and aesthetics. The focus should be on strategic upgrades that offer the most value for your investment. From choosing cost-effective materials to considering DIY elements, there are several ways to stretch your budget while achieving a stunning transformation. A key element to consider is the layout of your kitchen. Open concept designs continue to be popular, and reconfiguring your space can create a more inviting and functional environment. However, if structural changes are beyond your budget, focus on cosmetic updates like painting cabinets or replacing hardware. The Kitchen and Bath Reno guys recommend prioritizing projects that provide the most impact for the cost, such as updating appliances to energy-efficient models or installing new countertops that mimic the look of more expensive materials. Refinish cabinets. Instead of replacing cabinets, consider refinishing them. This can dramatically change the look of your kitchen without the high cost of new cabinetry. Upgrade lighting. Swap outdated fixtures for modern pendant lights or under-cabinet lighting to instantly brighten the space and add a touch of elegance. Choose affordable countertops. Materials like laminate or butcher block can offer the look of high-end stone countertops at a fraction of the price. Backsplash on a budget. Peel and stick tiles or painted backsplashes can add a splash of color and style without breaking the bank. DIY where possible. Simple tasks like painting walls or installing new hardware can be tackled as weekend projects to save on labor costs. Finding the right local contractors for your $30,000 kitchen makeover. Embarking on a kitchen renovation journey with a budget of $30,000 is entirely feasible, especially in the Kitchener-Waterloo area. However, to get the best value for your investment, choosing the right local contractors is crucial. The region is home to a vibrant community of skilled tradespeople and renovation firms, making it essential to research and select a team that aligns with your vision and budget. Start by seeking recommendations from friends or neighbors who have had successful kitchen renovations. Local contractors familiar with the Kitchener-Waterloo market can offer insights into cost-effective materials and design solutions that will keep your project on budget. When planning your kitchen renovation, it's essential to recognize that not every contractor will offer the same level of service or expertise. It's wise to interview multiple contractors, ensuring they are licensed and insured, and request detailed quotes for comparison. Be upfront about your $30,000 budget to find professionals who respect financial boundaries and suggest ways to maximize your renovation dollars. In addition to their expertise, contractors with local experience understand the nuances of the area's building codes and permit requirements, streamlining the renovation process. Check references. Ask potential contractors for references from previous clients, particularly those who have completed similar projects in Kitchener or Waterloo. Review portfolios. Examine each contractor's portfolio to ensure their style aligns with your vision and they have experience with projects within your budget range. Discuss timeline. Confirm that the contractor can commit to a timeline that suits your schedule, as delays can impact your budget and daily life. Prioritize communication. Choose a contractor who communicates clearly and is responsive to your questions and concerns, ensuring a smooth renovation process. Consider local suppliers. Leverage the contractor's relationships with local suppliers in Cambridge and beyond to secure better deals on materials and appliances. Maximizing your kitchen renovation budget with Kitchener-Waterloo suppliers. Undertaking a kitchen renovation with a budget of $30,000 in the Kitchener-Waterloo area is entirely feasible with careful planning and strategic choices. The key is to focus on value-driven decisions that enhance functionality and aesthetics without overspending. By leveraging local suppliers and contractors, you can stretch your budget further while supporting the community. One of the first steps is to prioritize which elements of your kitchen need the most attention, whether it's cabinetry, countertops, or appliances. Cabinetry often absorbs a significant portion of the budget, but you can save by refacing existing cabinets or opting for stock options from local suppliers. These alternatives can deliver a fresh look at a fraction of the cost of custom cabinets. Furthermore, consider some countertops from regional suppliers who often offer competitive pricing and a variety of materials. For example, quartz or laminate can provide a stylish appearance without the premium price tag associated with granite or marble. Research and visit local showrooms to compare materials and prices firsthand. This can lead to better deals and personalized service. Consider timing your renovation during sales events or when suppliers are offering discounts, typically in late winter or early spring. Explore gently used options or overstock items at local building supply stores, which can offer substantial savings on high-quality materials. Work with local contractors who have established relationships with suppliers, potentially securing you better prices on materials and labor. Prioritize essential upgrades like energy-efficient appliances, which can reduce your long-term utility costs and increase the value of your home. Incorporating these strategies can help you achieve a stylish and functional kitchen renovation within your budget. By engaging with local suppliers and professionals, you not only support the community, but also gain access to tailored advice and solutions that align with your financial and design goals. Success stories. Kitchen renovations under $30,000 in the Kitchener-Waterloo area. Renovating a kitchen on a budget can seem daunting, but many homeowners in the Kitchener-Waterloo area have successfully transformed their spaces without exceeding $30,000. The key is to prioritize what truly matters to you and make strategic choices. Whether it's updating cabinetry, improving functionality, or modernizing appliances, it's entirely possible to achieve a remarkable transformation without breaking the bank. One successful renovation involved a young family in Kitchener who wanted to modernize their dated kitchen while keeping costs under control. By choosing ready-to-assemble cabinets and installing them themselves, they were able to save significantly. They also opted for a mix of high-end and budget-friendly appliances, ensuring quality where it mattered most. By focusing on essential upgrades and doing some of the work themselves, they managed to keep their costs well within their budget. Another homeowner in Waterloo decided to refresh her kitchen by repainting existing cabinets and installing new hardware. She splurged on a stunning quartz countertop, which became the focal point of the kitchen. By choosing a timeless design and making selective upgrades, she achieved a sophisticated look without the need for a full-scale renovation. Her choice to invest in durable materials also ensured longevity, adding value to her home for years to come. Consider refinishing or repainting cabinets instead of replacing them to save on costs. Mix and match high-end and budget-friendly appliances to achieve a balance of quality and affordability. Opt for durable materials that offer longevity, such as quartz or granite for countertops, which can enhance both function and aesthetic. Do-it-yourself projects can significantly cut labor costs. Consider tasks like painting or installing backsplash tiles. Shop local for materials and labor to support the community and potentially negotiate better deals. Frequently asked questions. Q. What factors influence the cost of a kitchen renovation? A. Several factors can affect the cost of a kitchen renovation, including the size of the kitchen, the quality of materials chosen, and the complexity of the design. In Kitchener-Waterloo, factors like local labor rates and supply chain considerations can also play a role. It's essential to plan carefully and prioritize your needs to ensure you stay within a $30,000 budget. Q. Can I include custom cabinetry in a $30,000 kitchen renovation budget? A. Custom cabinetry can be a significant expense in a kitchen renovation. However, with careful planning and by choosing cost-effective materials or semi-custom options, it is possible to include cabinetry within a $30,000 budget. Consider balancing splurges with savings elsewhere in the kitchen design to accommodate custom features without exceeding your budget. Q. How can I ensure quality while keeping renovation costs under $30,000? A. To maintain quality on a $30,000 budget, focus on prioritizing key elements like appliances, countertops, and flooring. Opt for mid-range materials that offer durability and style without the premium price tag. Additionally, working with experienced local contractors in Kitchener-Waterloo can provide valuable insights and help you make cost-effective choices without compromising on quality. Ready to transform your kitchen on a budget? At Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys, we specialize in creating stunning, functional kitchens without breaking the bank. Whether you're aiming for a complete overhaul or subtle upgrades, our team can help you achieve your dream kitchen for $30,000. Visit Kitchen Renovations Kitchener-Waterloo to explore your options. For a free estimate or a personalized quote, call us today at 226-894-0234 or visit us at Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys on Google. Your dream kitchen is just a call or click away.